This is the DUUX Tag 2 humidifier. This device is small but mighty and very clever. It generates mist using ultrasonic sound vibrations, which saves you a lot of energy. In fact, it uses 80% less power than traditional humidifiers, so your wallet will feel better for it too. Not only does its energy efficiency help to lower pollution in a traditional sense, but its Quiet Mark certification ensures you'll have less noise pollution in your home too. This humidifier has a very different look to others on the market. Its sleek design makes it a great choice for a contemporary home, helping it to blend in with the decor rather than garishly stand out. Due to its compact size, it's easy to find somewhere for it in your space or store when not in use.